Hello students, let us see today Euler's method. So Euler's method general formula yn plus 1 equal to yn plus h f of xn comma yn. As usual, if we put n equal to 0, then we will get y1 value. If we put n equal to 1, then we will get y2 values. So based on the problems, we have to find out the y values. Where n equal to 0, 1, 2 up to etc. So we'll move on problems. Using Euler's method, using Euler's method, solve y dash equal to x plus y plus xy, y of 0 equal to 1, compute y at x equal to 0.1 by taking h equal to 0.05. So in this problem, using Euler's method, need to find out y1, y2. Now let us see how to solve the problem. First, you should write the given function. So dy by dx equal to f of x comma y equal to y dash equal to x plus y plus xy. So boundary condition, general form, y of x naught equal to y naught. So y of 0 equal to 1. Always given each and every problem boundary condition. So here x naught value 0, y naught value 1, and then y of x1 equal to y1, which is general. So in this given problem, y of 0.1. So need to find out y1. So as well as here given h value, in case if it is not given h value, we will take h x1 minus x naught, 0.1 minus 0, we will take directly h value 0.1. So here given h value 0.05. So in this problem, it will take two cases, y1 and y2. So first you should write, write h value already given problem 0.05, but we need to find out 0.1. We cannot find out directly y1. So first you should find out y1, next to y2. So there are two cases in this problem. So should write general formula yn plus 1 equal to yn plus h f of xn comma yn. So if we put n equal to 0, then we will get y1 equal to y naught plus h f of x naught comma y naught. So y naught value 1 plus h value 0.05. So f of x naught y naught already given problem f of x comma y. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x plus y plus xy. So f of x comma y here x So f of x comma y is nothing but x plus y plus xy. But we need f of x naught y naught. So you should replace wherever xy, instead of xy, you should replace x naught y naught. So x naught plus y naught plus x naught y naught. Already given x naught and y naught values. So here x naught value 0, y naught value 1. So x naught value 0, y naught value 1. So this simplify this, we will get 1. So f of x naught y naught value 1. So y of 0.05 equal to 1.05. So y of x1 equal to y1. So x1 value 0.05, y1 value 1.05. Using x1 and y1 values, need to find out next to y2. So in this general formula, need to put n equal to 1. Then we will get y2 value. So y2 equal to y1 plus h f of x1 comma y1. So here y1 value 1.05, h value 0.05. Please you check h value, already given problem 0.05. Next to find out f of x1 comma y1. So f of xy, we know that x already given problem x plus y xy. But now we need to find out f of x1 comma y1. So wherever xy, instead of xy, you should replace it x1 and y1. X1 value 0.05, y1 value 1.05 plus x1 y1, x1 value 0.05, y1 value 1.05. Using calculator, simplify this, we will get 1.1525. So f of x1 comma y1 value 1.1525. Using calculator, simplify this, 0.057625. This simplify, we will get 1.107625. So which is y of 0.1. So this is y of x2 equal to y2. So x2 value 0.1, y2 value 1.107625. In case if we need to find out y3 using x2 and y2 values, need to find out y3. Let us see one more problems in Euler's method. Using Euler's method, find y of 0.2. Find y of 0.2 given y dash equal to x plus y, y of 0 equal to 1 with h 0.2. So first you should write that given function. So dy by dx equal to y dash equal to f of x comma y equal to x plus y. So y of x naught equal to y naught, which is boundary condition for general form. So y of 0 equal to 1 here given. So x naught value 0, y naught value 1. So y of x1 equal to y1. The given problem y of 0.2. So need to find out y1. So here h value x1 minus x naught. So h equal to x1 value 0.2, x naught value 0. So h value 0.2. In case if it is not given h value, then need to use this formula x1 minus x naught, this formula. So here already given h 0.2. So Taylor series, in the general formula, if you put n equal to 0, then we will get y1. So y1 equal to y naught plus h f of x naught comma y naught. So y naught value 1, already given problem, h value already given problem 0.2, f of x naught comma y naught, already given problem f of x comma y, so which is x plus y. So if we replace it x, instead of x, x naught, and instead of y, y naught, we will get f of x naught, y naught value. So x naught value already given problem 0, y naught value already given problem 1, so which is 1. So f of x naught, y naught value 1. Okay, so y of 0.2, using calculator simplify, this will get the answer 1.2. So this y of x1 equal to y1. So x1 value 0.2, y1 value 1.2. In case if we need to find out y2, using x1, y1 values, need to find out y2. Okay, the first problem, given y dash value as well as given x naught value and y naught value, and then given x1 value, need to find out y1 only, but will be given h value. Based on the h values, need to find out y1, y2. So here given x value 0.1. So if we take x1 0.05, x2 0.1, then only we'll get the values. So write first general formula. If we put n equal to 0, then we'll get y1. So just replace it x naught y naught values and then find out f of x naught y naught values. Simplify. Then we will get y of x1 equal to y1 value. Using this x1 y1 values, need to find out next y2 value. Please you try to get in this problem given h equal to 0.05. In case if it is not given h value, we will take directly h value 0.1, find out only one cases, so which is y1. As separately it will be mentioned h value, that's why you should take h value. That's why we are finding two cases in this problem. Problem 2 also will be given that h value. So write given y dash value and then given boundary conditions x naught y naught values. Then write given h values, write general formula. Just if we put n equal to 0, then we will get y1. As usual, just replace x naught y naught values and then find out f of x naught y naught values. Simplify, then we will get y1. So here, in case if we need to find out y2 using x1, y1 values, need to find out y2. In the general formula, if we put n equal to 1, then we will get y2 values. And one more thing, using Euler's method means using Euler formulas, you have to find out y1, y2, whatever, based on the problems, you have to find out y values. Instead of Euler's, don't use for another method, Taylor series, RK method, don't use it. It will be mentioned that question paper Euler's means you should use Euler's method, Euler's formula. Okay, students, thank you.